Okay guys, welcome back. So we have the question 38 from the second chapter of Meriam textbook, and we have this overhead view of the door. As we can see, if the compressive force F acting on the coupler arm of the hydraulic door closer is 75 Newton with the orientation shown, we need to determine the moment of this force about the hinge axis O. So basically we have to figure out the moment about O, and we're going to use our 2D shortcut counterclockwise positive. And what we're going to do in here is that we're going to find the parallel and perpendicular component of this force to this surface. So this will be our perpendicular and this would be our parallel. So the perpendicular basically is 75 times cosine of 20 degrees, and the other one is 75 times sine of 20 degrees. And if you want to find the moment, as we can see, both components are making moment about point O. And let's start with the perpendicular one. So as we can see, the moment is clockwise, so we have a negative sign. The force is 75 times cosine of 20 degrees, and the distance that we have is the vertical distance to point O, which is 300 millimeter. And if we want to get it in meter, we're going to divide it by 1000. So that was the moment of the perpendicular component. And if we want to go with the moment of parallel one, so it's this force and this will be the moment. As we can see, again, a clockwise moment. So this time we have 75 times sine of 20 degrees, and the distance that we have is basically, this would be the vertical distance, which from the question we know is here. So 35 plus 25 plus 38. And all of these are in millimeter. We're going to divide it by 1000 to get it in meter. Same in here. And if we calculate this from the first one, we get minus 21.14. And the second part we have minus 2.51, and this is gonna give us minus 23.65 Newton meter, and we have a negative sign which shows the moment is clockwise. So yeah, that would be all for this one. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel, like and comment, and let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer those in the comment section. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.